Thought we'd talk about how an air conditioning unit works today. Okay, you got four basic components of any air conditioning system. You've got the compressor, the condenser, the metering device, and finally the indoor evaporator coil. Compressor will compress the refrigerant, increasing its pressure. The metering device will decrease the pressure of the refrigerant, creating the low and high side of the system. Refrigerant leaving the compressor will be a high temperature, high pressure, superheated vapor. The vapor refrigerant will then enter the condenser where heat is rejected into the atmosphere, causing the vapor refrigerant to then condense into a medium pressure, medium temperature, subcooled liquid. Subcooled liquid will then travel through the liquid line, making its way over to the metering device, which is the other dividing point in the system. The pressure drop created by the metering device will allow the refrigerant to flash off and turn into a low temperature, low pressure saturated mixture. Mixture's job is to boil inside of the evaporator and absorb heat from the house. The heat will cause the refrigerant to boil, and then it will leave the evaporator coil as a low temperature, low pressure, superheated vapor to then be pumped up again by the compressor. Air conditioning in its basic form is removing heat from the house and dumping it outside. If you learned something, hit the follow button and ask me any questions.